Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the Hubspot conversation inbox to manage customer messages and communications from one central location. Let's get started. After logging into Hubspot, navigate to CRM and select Inbox from the menu. This opens the conversation inbox, where you can view and manage messages from connected channels such as email, live chat, forms, Facebook Messenger, and other communication tools. On the left side, you'll see a list of conversations. Click on any conversation to open and review the message details. The center panel displays the full conversation history, allowing you to view previous interactions and understand the customer's context before responding. To reply to a message, simply type your response in the message box and click Send. You can also assign conversations to specific team members, helping your team manage inquiries more efficiently. If needed, use the internal comments feature to collaborate with teammates without the customer seeing those notes. Hubspot also allows you to filter conversations by status, assignee, channel, or date, making it easier to find and organize messages. As conversations are resolved, you can close them to keep your inbox organized and focused on active requests. The conversation inbox helps your team centralize customer communication, improve response times, and provide better customer support. And that's how to use Hubspot Conversation Inbox. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Hubspot tutorials. See you in the next one.